there was some, allegation of judges' children benefiting from the positions of their fathers. My father went to the bar and said, so long as I'm a judge of any court in India, and he was the Chief Justice of India, मेरा बेटा कहीं पर भी वकालत नहीं करेगा. So which meant he was going to retire in 1985. And he said, you will not even practice in a court because there's no court higher than mine. Every court is in that sense lower in the hierarchy than me. So I said, what do I do? So I applied for admission to Harvard Law School. And
क्योंकि इंडिया प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर सकते,
बिल्कुल कहीं नहीं
अनाउंस कर दिया था,
कहीं प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे. और उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि देख लो, मेरे प्रोविडेंट फंड में 5 लाख रुपए हैं. वो भी 61 से 80 तक 85 तक जज रहे. 5 लाख रुपए प्रोविडेंट फंड में थे. उन्होंने कहा ये सारा पैसा ले लो, बाहर जाके कहीं पढ़ो. So what better way can I spend my money than to for you to educate yourself. Fortunately, I got a scholarship. I didn't have to depend on my parents. Lovely. I got a full scholarship to go to Harvard Law School. And at places like Harvard, your question, they don't teach you what the law is. They don't teach you what the principle of law is. They teach you to think about the law. And that's the critical difference. Meaning? जब हम लोग जब अपना विधि का अभ्यास कर रहे थे दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में, the professor would begin by telling you what this legal principle means.